So in today's video, we're going to be looking at building projects. Now, as developers, this is how we sharpen our skills. It's always good to try and build some new projects. You get to learn new things. It develops yourself as a developer. So, we can be looking at building an Android app or maybe something in the cloud. Firebase, I've built some applications using Firebase before, so possibly that. We've got Flutter. Now you can build iOS and Android apps from the same code base with Flutter. Google Assistant, Maps, TensorFlow. Now I'm currently studying TensorFlow, so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that now. Web, Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google Play, and YouTube. So, okay, I think drum roll, we're going to press Google Assistant. So let's take a look and see what they have on offer. So we've got integrate with Google Assistant, ways to build. So I have got some interest in smart home devices and building rich natural conversations. So I think we're going to do that one. Let's build rich and natural conversations. So let's take a look here and we'll click get started. Right. So as you can see, if you look on the left hand side, you can see there are quite a few links there. So what I am going to have to do is go through the documentation and just see what needs to be done for me to, build something nice here. Now looking at it, it looks similar to an Alexa skill. So I have dabbled with Alexa before, so hopefully it won't be too difficult to build something here. So okay, that's it for today. So just keep checking back and hopefully I will come up with something nice for you. All right, cheers, bye.